In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Powered by Shopify text in the Dawn theme. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start at your Shopify homepage. On the left-hand menu, click Online Store. This opens the customization options for your store themes. Next, locate your active theme and click the three dots next to it. From the drop-down, select Edit Default Theme Content. This allows you to modify content elements within your theme, including the footer text. Once inside the default theme content editor, use the search bar at the top and type Powered. This will filter the content to show the section labeled Powered by Shopify. Click on it to highlight the text. To remove it, simply press the space bar on your keyboard. This clears the text from your theme. After making this change, click the Save button at the top right corner to ensure your edits are stored. Now, return to your Dawn theme and refresh the page. You should see that the Powered by Shopify text is gone, leaving your store with a clean, professional look that reflects only your brand. And that's it. A quick and easy way to give your Shopify store a polished, customized finish.